Sir, do you remember Queen Victoria's era?
I was a boy, but her portrait was in every school.
Where's the Cass?
Do you know the secrets of the Egyptian kings?
Every tomb holds a mystery still unsolved.
What's the oldest book you've ever seen? Tyson.
A handwritten one dated 1820.
Were you there when the first train came to Pakistan?
Yes, people threw flowers on the tracks that day. My father, a freedom fighter who went to prison.
Whose photo is this on your wall?
Grinma, when did you first hear about Gandhi?
I remember hearing his speeches on the radio.
What was the city like in your time?
One lantern was enough to light the night.
I saw people crossing the border with my own eyes.
Their voices are memories. Their eyes carry time itself.